back to my channel Being Deva. This side Pallavi. I hope that everybody is doing great. And in today's video, you have got to know from the topic itself, it is a comparison between Lakme eyeliner versus Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. So when we order or when we check out to any of the marketplaces, we get to know that there is two brands who is providing eyeliner with almost same kind of features at the same price, almost same price. Then which one to choose for? So I just thought that I should make this video and make it clear for you guys that whether to go for a Lakme one or to the Maybelline one. So if you haven't watched my video before, or you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give the thumbs up button a big hit. So ta-da, these are the two products I'm gonna compare about. So first, starting with the Lakme 925. So this is the product, and I'm using this for like 2 or 3 months, and in 2 or 3 months everything just went off. Like the Lakme 925, everything was written over here, but then everything washed off. So for the complete photo you can check it here. And yeah, so it has this very sleek packaging, and it has 3.5 ml of product in it. And yeah, so the applicator looks like this. Okay, where it is. Okay, so the applicator look like this, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. So it is obviously a jet black one, and it retails for rupees 300, but after discount you almost get it for 249 rupees. So I haven't paid for this for more than 249 because it is always on sale on Nykaa, Amazon, or from the Lakme website itself. So let's go on with the second one, which is this Maybelline eyeliner. So this eyeliner retails for rupees 249. So it is 249 only, flat pricing. It comes in a white like the entire, like the kajal like you get, so those kind of packaging. So here you can check it out. So this is how it comes, and here it is looks almost like the Lakme one. So it has a sleek packaging, and where you will be finding all the brand name, everything. And this is the applicator, so it is almost the same. So this is the Lakme one that I have swatched, and this is the Maybelline one that I have swatched. So looks almost the same, like you can't even recognize that which one was that and which one was this. So but from the pigmentation, both of them works well. That is bold one, and yeah, so it gives a very nice effect when you want to have a winged eyeliner. Both of them have a same applicator, no difference at all, and quick drying. Both of them has a quick drying. Since I have made a bold line, it is taking time. Otherwise it is a very patla line that I've made in Lakme one, so that it got dried off. And also one of the feature is quick drying. So let's just go with 925 eyeliner, and on the right eye this Maybelline eyeliner, and then we can just test it that which one looks better. This is how it looks, the winged eyeliner. So this was the Lakme one, and it has quickly dried up, bold in color, black in color, whatever you want to say. And the last and waterproof thing, I will just show it to you after I apply the Maybelline one. So as you can see, this too has dried up completely, and it doesn't come off. It is a smudge proof one, so it will not come off. I can't do it over my eyes, so I am just showing it to you here, so it doesn't smudge or anything. So yeah, so I will quickly apply this Maybelline on my right eye and then come back to my other feature. So here I have applied it, and from the look itself, if you see it, you can't really make out that it is two different eyeliner. But to be very much in detail, if I have to say, then the Lakme 925 is more matte. It is more matte and makes you look very like very nice and not jet black. Whereas in the the Maybelline one, it is quite a very much bold black. So both of them, in terms of quantity being used and everything, both of them has worked really well, and it is definitely the Lakme one doesn't stay more than 6 hours. Like what happens with me is, after 6 hours, since I have an oily skin tone, after 6 hours what happens, when I rub, it comes off easily. So this is the point that I have for this Lakme 9 to 5. Whereas for the Maybelline, it doesn't come off. It is definitely gonna stay more than 10 hours on your eyes, not giving you any kind of crack or some other thing. So let's just go on with the first feature, which is smudge proof. Nobody smudged, not the Lakme and not the Maybelline. So both of them is smudge proof. Second is they are bold and black in color. Third is matte. This is more matte, which is Lakme is more matte than the Maybelline one. In terms of jet black, Maybelline is more opaque and more black. This also black, as you can see, both of them is black. To give a comparison, this is more black, it's more jet in color, whereas the Lakme one is little bit in, like, it is a matte, a super matte. That is why the color is little bit low down when you are you are doing it. Then the last point that I would say here is waterproof. So both of them terms it to be a waterproof. Let's see that how dangerous it is gonna prove us. So yeah, so I'll first do with the Maybelline one and then move on to Lakme one. So okay, ready? Woohoo! So it is definitely a waterproof. It is not coming off. It is not coming off. It is not at all coming off. My fingers are clean. It is waterproof. Now let's test for Lakme. Let's see. Woohoo! It is not waterproof. So yeah, it has come off on my fingers, as you can see. So I'll not do much of it because the entire makeup I have to again clean it. So yeah, so all the features I think that I have cleared out, that how it is and how it is not. And I would suggest you to definitely go for a Maybelline, because according to me that Maybelline is really well, works very well. It is smudge proof, waterproof, not that matte like you can see, but it is, see the difference, the color is quite a black jet as they claim, and also it is just rupees 249, and it comes in a safe packaging, which you can definitely go for. And yeah, so that was it for today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching such interesting videos more. And also till then, bye, much love.